Hey guys, welcome to my channel, your home properties within your reach. Again, this is Kay Nadera, your Bulacan Realtor. So, andito po ako ngayon sa North Orchard, located here at Barangay Quezon, Santa Maria, to give you an update sa ating project here sa North Orchard Residences. And syempre, meron tayong mga promos, so hurry up guys, message me kasi may mga promo tayo para mabigay ko rin sa inyo yung details ng ating promo. And soon, magkakaroon tayo ng mga price increase sa mga selected units natin dito. Kaya para makuha nyo yung units na gusto nyo nang wala pang price increase, message me. Let's schedule a free tripping, syempre, and free assessment. So guys, samahan nyo ko ngayon na magkaroon ng house tour sa ating napakagandang North Orchard Residences.
Okay guys, tour muna tayo sa vicinity ni North Orchard. Syempre, kaya hindi natin inaalaw na wala kayong kasamang sales person kasi nga is may mga nakatira na tayo dito. So, ito na yung current update natin sa ating North Orchard. So, marami na itong nakatayo and ito, may mga nakatira na din kasi nga meron tayong mga units na RFO, may mga units din naman tayong pre-selling. So, kung nakikita nyo yung right side ng screen natin, yung mga bahay dyan sa gitna, yan yung mga may soon price increase na yan. So, kung interested kayo na yun, mga RFO, ganyan, message nyo ko para ma-avail nyo pa yung regular or yung current price niya. At the same time is, syempre, wala pang price increase kasi soon enough, magkakaroon ng mga price increase dyan sa unit na yan. So, nakita nyo naman guys, may mga na-turnover na. So, it's a proof na nagta-turnover talaga, no? And yun nga, kasama sa turnover, yung mga fences natin. Which is, I know, marami sa inyo, yung gusto is meron ng fence para bawas problema na rin pag lilipat, no? So, as in talagang fully finished na siya. May mga tiles na yan, may partitions na yan, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, high ceiling, may fence ka na dyan. So, wala ka talaga mapapahin. Then, guys, itong mga nasa bandang likod na ng ating North Orchard Residences, yan, yung bandang yan, isa na yung mga pre-selling units. So, nakita nyo, ongoing na rin yan na kina-construct. So, yan, may mga promos tayo dyan. So, yan yung mga pre-selling natin, guys. Okay? So, if you're interested, message me. And, syempre, magkaroon tayo ng house tour.
So guys, this is our model unit. So I'll give you a tour sa ating dressed up. So, what's nice about North Orchard is it comes with the fences already. So you have your fences, your gated fence na. You have your metal fence. You have space for your carport. This is your carport. Minimum lot area natin is 80 square meters. So hanggang dito yung iyong area. So, you have your space for your carport. You have your space for your service area, which is big enough, no? So, you can extend your kitchen here. So, you have your access door towards your dining area and dun sa loob ng bahay. So, let's check. You have your space here for your garden. It's up to you if you're going to make a patio here. So, this is your space for your garden. So, let's go sa ating living area. So, guys, this is the interior, the living area of North Orchard Residences. So, this one, with painted walls already, no? And you have your 60 by 60 tiles here. So, ang lalagay mo na lang, kapag na-turn over na sa'yo, lilipat ka na, is yung mga gamit mo. And you have your space here for your 6-seaters dining area. Kasama na to sa turnover, guys, no? And, it's up to you nga kung gusto mong gamitin to kasi you have your service area outside, no? Ito yung access door mo, which is napakaganda rin ng turnover ng ating access door. So, hindi lang siya basta wooden door or hindi lang siya basta yung metal door, no? So, you have your space here for your fridge. Yun yung maganda din with North Orchard. Kasi, kinonsider nila yung space mo kung saan mo ilalagay yung fridge mo, yung stove mo. Pero ito, it's up to you kung papalagyan mo ng overhead cabinet. And, under your stairs here, guys, you have your space here. So, you can put up some storage areas here. So, yan. You have your space here pa. So, pwede mong pa-wall yan. Maganda rin naman siya kasi concrete yung iyong stairs. And, ang maganda pa, you have spacious toilet and bath. So, this is your toilet and bath. So, complete finish na yan. With tiles ka na. Meron ka ng elevation, syempre. Spillage of water. Yan. So, ayan na yung turnover sa unit toilet and lavatory. So, this is your first toilet and bath. So, let's go upstairs, guys, para sa ating second floor. So, for our second floor, we have steel side rails and a concrete steps, no? You have your window here for your daylight para you have lights pa rin sa second floor mo. Ang maganda pa dyan, ang iyong tiles sa second floor ay ceramic din. So, you have your space sa iyong hallway. You have your 3 bedrooms. So, let's go sa ating first bedroom o yung sa ating kids' bedroom. So, this is your kids' bedroom. You have very high ceiling. This is same with your master's bedroom. So, you can make loft here. So, gusto mo study area sa baba and then yung bed yung taas. So, you have more space para dito sa iyong bed. So, kasya kung you have more than 2 kids, tapos 3 bedrooms ka. So, ito magkakasya 2 bata. So, pwede. You have your space here. You have your elegant, beautiful door din sa turnover. So, ganda with class. So, next is yung second bedroom natin. So, this is your second bedroom. See, what's good about North Orchard is you have your 73 square meters floor area. So, napaka-spacious, even yung second bedroom niya. No, kaya nga ang queen bed dyan. So, you have your space for your study area, your cabinet, you have your window here. Diba? You have your space here sa hallway mo ng pwedeng mga gamit mo sa iyong toiletries, no? Or, you can put here your toiletries dito sa iyong second toilet and bath. So, your second and toilet and bath natin, it's raining cats and dogs. So, let's close this. Yan. So, ito yung kanyang turnover or similar na turnover ng lavatory mo dito sa second floor na toilet and bath. So, ganyan ang itsura niya. So, ang ganda na. So, you have your toilet and bowl, your shower here. Siyempre, again, you have your tiles here with elevation na. Ang ganda, di ba? So, yan. Tapos na tayo mag-tour sa 2 bedrooms and second toilet and bath. Ready na tayo sa ating master's bedroom or yung primary bedroom. So, let's go. So, guys, this is your master's bedroom. You have your high ceiling here. So, pwede rin. Ikaw bahala kung gusto mo siyang i-loft or lagyan mo ng chandelier ang iyong master's bedroom para mas aesthetic ang dating. So, you have your big wide open window facing, syempre, sa iyong front yard, no? Napakaganda, napaka-elegant, parang nasa hotel. So, lagyan mo na lang siya ng curtain na from ceiling to floor para mas big yung space mo. So, ito ay double bed. You have your space. You still have your space here for your bedside table. And, you have your space here for your cabinet. So, hindi talaga masikip, no? So, if you're interested, no, dito sa ating napakaganda na North Orchard. So, let's talk about the price. Ayun guys, nagustuhan niyo ba si North Orchard? Siyempre, magugustuhan. Complete finish, 3 bedroom, beautiful, single attached house and lot na kasama na pati ang iyong mga fences, no? So, if you're interested, napakalapit pa nito sa NLEX, ito ang ating total contract price. So, guys, ito yung total contract price nang wala pang price increase, ha? Ito pa yon. So, hurry up na guys, message me for reservation and schedule of tripping. So, ito yung ating down payment. Ayan. So, available tayo through bank financing. For our reservation, ito po siya. Ayan, guys. So, guys, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Don't hesitate to message me on my WhatsApp and Viber, guys. So, I hope to see you and hear from you soon, guys. Bye!